Hey, another update. Alright, so I didn't go with the texture, I sanded it. I did fill a few little areas, as you can see. Filled that hole in there, still going to put a little bit more filler in there, do that. I still haven't done that corner, but I'm on my way. But I have been doing a bit of welding. I've got a little hobby welder, knackered old thing. So it's not very good, but it'll tack it in place. And then I'll get my brother around with a proper welder, and he'll buzz around it and give it a proper bit of weld. It's only old bits I'd lying around. Yeah, this is the winch off of my old car transporter that I had, that I used for cargo. I never used the winch, and to be fair, all it done was get in the way, and then I jackknifed one day and it hit the back of the van, dented all the door and bent it all. So I've straightened it all out. It's nice and free. But again, it has got a steel cable. It's not going in the sea, so hopefully the water shouldn't be a problem. As you see, it hasn't really gone rusty as such. Let's flick that the other way, or freewheel it. And then the idea is, once I've got round to sorting the hook out, I might have to put a little notch out of here. I don't know, it's the only way I could do it was do it. I saw one of you guys, your pictures yesterday. I think it was Jamie Hooper actually, on his trailer, and then just as a little bit comes out there. So I've left that bit for the moment. I've got this sort of piece lined up for it, which would then sort of go about there. And now the boat is off the trailer by about 5 inches, so that's about that gap. And then with one of those, like a little plate across the end of that piece, and then one of those flat V blocks, that should suffice. I could come up a bit higher. So yeah, so I've been doing a bit of welding, and that's all that in place. The old battery went flat on the drill, so that took a bit of time to get that bolted on, but that's all bolted on. And then I'll probably put a little cap over that piece. Just, I might not. You can see how anal I am towards the end. But that's sort of tacked in place. I should do that. The rest of the steering box, I did fill that area there. It was bugging me. So lovely and smooth. Still needs a bit more flatting. It's still not perfect, as you can tell. I don't know if you can see all that. So it needs a bit more flatting. But unfortunately now, work's got in the fucking way again. I've got to go work. It's not even for me, which is worse. So I've had to pack up now. And that's all I can get done for the minute. I'd say that's on there, tacked on for the moment. So we're getting somewhere today with a little bit of progress. Fucking tiny amount. I'll be honest, I was knackered. I didn't even come out here till about fucking 1 o'clock, and it's 4 now. So another 3 hours today of a little bit of work.